Hi everyone! I just got this item today from the Yayoi Kusama collection. So I wanted to unbox it in front of you all. Um, so uh, if you watch one of my previous videos about this collection, I actually got two items from this collection and I didn't think I would get anything else. But then I came across this item and it's actually pretty cute. So I thought, I would get one. So, anyways, so the ribbon, with this collection, I think they really put a lot of, well, I guess thoughts and also money into this collection. As you can see, the ribbon is the polka dots, the Yayoi's signature polka dots, and it also comes with the pumpkin, Yayoi Kusama pumpkin. So let's see. Ta-da. Of course, the wrap is also the polka dots. And the dust bag is also Yayoi Kusama's uh, um, bag. I guess the dust bag. And here it is. So it is the pocket organizer with the red polka dots. I'm not a big fan of canvas, so most of my items are leather, and this one is Terralon leather. Let's see. So in the inside, it has the pumpkin, the Yayoi Kusama pumpkin in red, and it is made in France. Just like any other pocket organizer, it's got one, two, three. So three credit card pockets here. One, two, three, four, five pockets right here that you can put like another cards or maybe your cash in here, and also in the back another pocket right here. Yeah, I love this leather because it's a little bit softer than other types of leather or than most leather. I have other types of pocket organizers as well, but just not this design. I think it's really cute. I actually have another black one, but without the dots from the previous collection. So, but anyways, I really like this item, and I think it's a great item for Valentine's. Thank you for watching.